Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
Decide your message and aim for one clear idea per reel. Outline a simple introduction, body, and call to action. Write a short script of 20 to 30 words for concise pacing and clear timing. Break lines so each phrase lasts about 2 to 3 seconds on screen. Choose a tone and font size that matches your brand style and legibility on small screens. Pick 3 to 5 keywords to emphasize visually with size, color, or motion. Set a 2 to 3 second display for each line of text to keep viewers engaged. Use a readable font like sans serif and maintain 48-point minimum size for mobile clarity. Choose high contrast colors. Use white text on dark backgrounds or dark text on light backgrounds. Add motion like slide, fade, or scale to emphasize important words and maintain rhythm. Sync text transitions to the beat or voiceover to achieve professional timing and flow. Export at 1080p using either 16:9 for landscape or 9:16 for vertical reels. Choose H, 264 codec, and a bitrate around 8 to 12 Mbps for sharp playback on social platforms. Include closed captions or persistent text overlays so viewers can read without sound and increase accessibility. Add a short music track or natural voiceover and balance audio levels to -3 to -6.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.